Hello, I am Abdal Ahmed. Today I will show a C++ first program which is known as Hello World program. I am writing in VS Code. I will make a separately video how to install a VS Code in Mac, Windows, don't worry. Or you can check on YouTube if you want. First of all, I am creating a new file. Selecting a language, C++, and writing a code. Don't worry, I will teach it what I have written. Int main, everything. Don't worry. Int main, hello world. First of all, when we have to execute this program, we have to save the file. I am saving it and going to run it. The hello world is successfully printed on output screen. This is the basic program. Thank you.